Hello YouTube, it's Ernesto Rivera. I'm back again at the layout. This time with the boxing video from Lombard Hobbies. So let's go dive right in and we'll take a look at what we got. Okay. This is pretty sweet. I got a very good deal on these. These were $35 a piece. And these are the Rapido Husky Stack well cars with the 2 containers. And I happen to really like these a lot. I was at my local hobby shop, Willow's Hobbies in Mineola, and I happened to find like one of them, and I fell in love with it so much I said, okay, I gotta find the rest of them. So that's why I went and ran them out, and I found these, and I saw them at the Lombard Hobbies. They had like a whole set of them. So I'm gonna put a link in the description of where to get these from, or you know, the link where to actually get those. So these are pretty good. These are very nice looking well cars. And you can see that these have the new TTX logo on them. And they look really good. I mean, it's really solid looking well cars. One of the things I like about these is they're made out of metal. So, very nice. I also have some of these with the older TTX logo on it. So that's pretty good. I would say one of the downsides I don't like, you can see that they're both JB Hunt containers, and then one on top is the BNSF. Holding the light there, you see this is the BNSF one. What I don't like is that they use the same container numbers. Even though the road number on the Husky Stack car is different, you know, the container number is still the same. But you know, hey, look, for $35, you know, for this set, I can't complain too much. So you can see right here, I'm looking at it. Yeah, the road number on the well car is different, but the containers seem to be all the same, regardless of what the road number is on the well car itself. But these Rapidos, these are great. I mean, they're so good. I'm surprised I didn't buy these earlier, but you know, when the price came down on these, I'm like, I just had to buy all of them. I already have one of these already, but this is beautiful. Look at that. I mean, with the CP on it, look at that. And the CN on top with the freight train on it. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is gorgeous. I mean, this is gorgeous. I mean, if you're looking to get started in intermodal, this is one of the best well cars that you could probably even buy, because it comes with the 2 containers. They're metal too. So metal well cars, what they do, you'll see, I'll upload this train running at the club. Metal well cars provide, you know, a smoother operation. What happens is that because of the increased weight, and especially because it's weighed on the bottom, you get, you know, you get much better rolling capacity as far as when you're building a longer train. And it's gonna operate smoother, you know, a lot smoother, and you're gonna have less derailments, just less problems all in all, you know. In the future, I'm gonna do a video on some intermodal, how to get started and all that too. So you could see this year here, I'm gonna have a lot of things straightened out. I also bought some of these Walthers mainline, also full metal. Also, you can see this one here has the new TTX logo on it. My camera can pick it up, but it's got the red TTX logo. The only thing Lombard Hobbies they did call me about was they sent me this BNSF one. The reason why they had to, because they had one of the TTX ones that I wanted was out of stock, so they ended up sending me this one instead. They said, oh, look, we continue to want another one instead. And I'm like, okay, I'll take this one. No, this is the one that says BNSF on it. You can't really see it too much because it's still in the packaging, but it's pretty cool. That's the only issue they had. But these I like. These cost me 89 bucks for the set of 5. And they're also made out of metal. And these are from Walther's mainline. Let's get a good picture of this. This is the, the 5-pack, the 40-foot well cars. Or these are the thrall rebuilt? Yeah. Yeah, these are the thrall rebuilt. The 5-unit rebuilt 40-foot well car. Yeah. And these also have the new TTX logo on the red one. You can probably barely see it. I know it's in the packaging, so it's very hard to see, but it's right there. These were $90 for the set each. Of course, this was I bought them all. I bought everything that they had as far as whatever was in stock that they had. Look at this. Now, if you're wondering, just in case you're wondering how much did all this cost, it was almost $1,500 for everything. And again, I wasn't gifted anything from Lombard Hobbies. I just saw this was all on sale, and I'm like, oh, they had a bunch of different numbers. I'm like, I'm buying these. And I remember saying in my first video that I did for this year about my Springfield train show budget being chewed up. Yeah, this is what happened. I found this, and I'm like, see, look there, that's $35. See if you can see that right there. I'll bring it a little closer. So, yeah, these were 35 bucks, and I'm like, I'm sold. You don't see metal well cars for 35 bucks with 2 containers. I mean, 2 containers itself, 50-foot containers, are about, I would say, 20 bucks, 23, anywhere between $20 to $23 for 2 53-foot containers itself. Now, throw in a metal well car, and you're looking at a metal well car, let's say a Walther's Proto, will run about $38, somewhere between $35 to $38 by itself. I have a few of those. This one here's with the older TTX logo, but I like this one. Also Walther's mainline. Walther's mainline are really good. Okay, they're made out of metal, and the prices are good on these, so you're gonna love them. And they roll very good too. So you have to be careful. Don't overspend for these, because some of these, some hobby stores, they'll charge you $130 for these, and it's expensive. But Lombard Hobbies is one of the best places to shop from. I mean, I as much as I love Train World and Marvel Train stuff, Lombard Hobbies, man, I'm telling you, if you can't find it and you're looking for a good deal somewhere, they sometimes just they have a couple of things just that go on sale, and you could just stock up, and that's what I did here. So yeah, I kind of overspent a little bit, but hey, it was well worth it. I'm showing you guys. This is gonna be a really nice train. Really nice train. I'm a big intermodal nut. If you guys haven't noticed that there by now, I love intermodal, and it's one of my favorite. It is my favorite type of train. Just love the double stacks. It just looks so good. And what's nice about those 40-foot well cars, I can run them empty. So you could run a really long train and run them empty, because the weight of the obviously the well car is heavy enough to support itself on its own. So, and the detail's okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. I'll probably open one up for you guys just so you can take a look at what I mean by the details. Are really good on these, in spite of being a mainline. It's not even a proto. So, and we got one more left. It's not bad. Not bad. All that's done. And there's something else in this box here. What did they send me? Oh, look at this. This is cute. I didn't expect this. They sent me some fruit snacks. I guess this is what happens when you spend $1,500 on a train order. They send you fruit snacks. Check that out. I did not expect that. Wow. Okay, I guess they might have figured I was Oh, there it is. You could have given me a Snickers. I love Snickers better, but Lombard Hobbies is sweet on you. Thanks for being a great customer. Well, thank you, Lombard Hobbies. This is great. I mean, it's that I didn't expect. So you spend $1,500 and you get, well, obviously I didn't really care for the fruit snacks, but you get. I also got this little bag here. It's nice. And one more thing to note: once you spend, I think I believe it's $499. You spend over $499, and you get free shipping with Lombard Hobbies. One of the key things, because a lot of hobby stores, you could spend $600, $700, $800 on their products, and you still have to pay $14 in shipping or $12 in shipping. Lombard Hobbies offers free shipping on really large orders, so that's a real nice thing that they do. So guys, they did a good job. They packed it really nice, and even when you look at I'm gonna show you my order sheet here. They obviously inspect all the orders. They have someone check it off, everything, all the items. So that was pretty nice what they did. Lombard Hobbies, I'm telling you, I purchased from them before in the past, but when I found all these items that I was looking for, I'm like, wow, and the price was actually pretty decent. So, well, that was great. So, you guys know Lombard Hobbies is a place to shop. If you're looking for something, I'm going to link in the description their intermodal section if you're looking to get into the stack trains like I have already a big collection of. And if you're looking to add some good items to your collection, yeah, definitely give them a look up. So until then, guys, I'll see you in the next video. So take care.